Hello, my name is Joy Ashby Cornthwaite, and I'm a registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist at UT Physicians. Today I'm here with my kids to share with you some family-friendly Halloween recipes. Step 1, get any box of cake mix that prepares a 2-layer cake. Step 2,
pour 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water. What other ingredients?
2 eggs.
2 eggs. 2/3 a cup of pumpkin will add a nice source of fiber. Now, a tablespoon of oil. Pumpkin spice?
I want it to be spicy.
Spicy. Yeah, so we go with 2. And now you're going to either whisk it or use a hand mixer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
2 minutes. Work those muscles. You want me to take over? No? Okay, keep going. So step 3, after you've worked out your muscles a bit, right, Naomi? Whew, tired, huh? Rest. And then, parenting tip, just pour your cake mix into the measuring cup, because then
You can pour it in. It's easier.
yep, you can pour it right in. And then halfway, and pause. Next one. So steps 4 and 5, after you've baked your cupcakes in a preheated oven according to the package instructions, then you will have
Pumpkin muffins!
excellent. So you'll have your pumpkin muffins and they'll be ready to go for the kids to decorate. Step 6, cover your pumpkin muffins or cupcakes, pumpkin cupcakes, so the kids can enjoy them, with your favorite frosting, and then add some Halloween treats to them. Allow them to decorate it the way that they like to. So Quentin is making, what are you making, Quentin?
Dirt with worms.
Dirt with worms, excellent. Where are your worms? Okay. Do you want to try this? I kind of thought of this maybe. Yeah, like maybe if you just do that.
Cotton candy.
And then you can add spider.
Eating the worm.
Excellent, that's beautiful, Naomi. Show the people.
And
That was quick and easy.